Hello my beautiful people and welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing a Lulu summer shoe unboxing and haul. Really excited because I need some new sandals. So let's start this off with a bang. The Santi Sage Green slide sandals. There she is. Obviously I'm obsessed with green. It's my favorite color, so I had to snag these up when I saw them online. Overall, really happy with the quality. They are really soft and really comfortable. I was a little worried about the fit and the square toe, but I really like them, so we are gonna go ahead and keep them. Next up, we have the Caitlin Black slide sandal. Online, these look just like a really good basic summer shoe. The quality is okay. It's like not the greatest, but it's not the worst also. But overall, they're a little too narrow for my wide feet. They were really skinny, so I just don't think they're gonna work for me. They also didn't quite fit right in the toe. Hard to keep on. After that, I was so obsessed with these online, the Luella Lilac high heel sandals. Do I need high heels? Am I going anywhere? No, but look at that color. Mwah, chef's kiss, we love it. I really felt like these were great quality for the price. They were only $34, and overall I'm so happy with them. It was probably my favorite from the whole bunch. I really like the color and the fit. They were super comfortable and not that high of a heel, so they were great. Next up, surprise, surprise, another green shoe, the Rogan Sage Green Patent Buckle Slide Sandal. I was a little worried the patent material was going to give me blisters or be uncomfortable, but it was pretty soft and comfortable. Again, these are like not the greatest quality, but also not the cheapest. Overall, I really like these. They're just a really basic flat sandal, so we decided to keep them. Next, these are the Cali Black Platform Esperel sandals. They were only $28, so I thought they were a great steal. They had Y2K platform vibes, but was pretty disappointed. These were probably the cheapest in quality, and again, just super narrow for my wide foot. So we're returning these. They did not work. This, surprise, surprise, was my favorite from the bunch. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you next time.